This Amazon driver was delivering a package until a pack of coyote appeared behind him, and this is what he did to save his life. After dropping off the package, the Amazon driver turns around to head back to his truck. He makes eye contact with the coyote and he stands still. You may think that he's afraid and is too scared to move. Even when the coyote approaches closer, the man remains still. It's when the coyotes lose interest in the man is when the Amazon driver checks to see if the coast is clear and makes a run for his truck. Thanks to the Amazon driver remaining calm and focused on the coyote, he understood the situation and stopped himself from panicking, making things much more worse.